Ụtụtụ ọma na efifie ọma na uhuruchi ọma ndị Igbo Chukwu nna kelucha mma Igbo Chukwu kezuru ekezu ekenekwa m na ebe nọ na-enene m n'ụbọchị nke taata mgbe ọbụla iji wefu vidiyo a asị m gịnị udo dịile gị udo dịile nwoke udo dịile nwaanyị so biko unu gee na ntị ka m gwa unu na nwere achọrọ m lecture some people can lecture some people ka ndị mmadụ mata ihe a na-akpọ broadcasting censor na about this social media nwa nọ n'ile. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile ka na-emenwu arrest and ọ bụrụ ihe niile mmadụ post ka ya eji mee gịnị wee mee mmadụ arrest because na most people na-efile na nọ mgbe ọbụla iwe na ifoto enu like ihe a Udele na-eme because I'm not a fan of Udele. I don't like him from day one. I will say it and I will say it ka ọ dị onye ọbụla mma na ntị. Udele, I'm not his fan. I don't like him. Onwe mgbe ọbụla obido kpọwa Ebuka Obi afa or anybody afa, I'm not aware, I've not seen it. Because I'm never his fan, so I can't watch his video. Onye ọbụla na-abụrụ his fan, I can't watch his video up to 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Because onwe ihe eme na-ewe my attention because ever since ibido kpaleba Nnamdi Kanu, that is where I don't see you interested and I from guys a threat to anybody. Mana onwe ihe ime that picked my attention ji wee imo go scroll where mgbe m mee your post about you, but that time unu mee live video ajụ gị kere ihe ị na-eme for a living gọva n'eziokwu jụ gị what do you do for a living? Isi na chinama the next thing ibido kpọba iyi that video that last that was the only time that your attention video bịawa across to my social media space. So now let me educate some people that is why Udele cannot be arrested at this stage. At this stage Udele cannot be arrested now because gịnị onwere some things on akwube n'ọnụ and onwere some things on put to be in a placard, in a board, in a fly oji. Ihe a nkịta Udele na-eme na he cannot be arrested. Do you know why? Because na Ijele is playing a smart game. Even na football, ihe Udele na-agba 5-4-1 defensive ka ọ na-agba with 1 man striking ka ọ hapụ n'iru. 5-man defense, 4-man midfield and 1 striker ka ọ na-arapụ n'iru. Iji gwa gị na that one ọ hapụ n'iru ahụ ya na-agbaghalị ka Drogba imago odide Drogba na-agbaghalị striker nwee strength. All the kind of mind game ọ na-epele ndị mmadụ. But we that understand his tactical game na gwa gị sị gị na at this stage Udele cannot be arrested. Do you know why? Because onwe some things ọ na-emebe which him himself knows. And I'm putting up to him now. Omenala nchọrọ ikwu here na this video. Udele ya ganga. Go and mark it somewhere. Ome ihe m chọrọ ikwu na video Udele ya ganga. Achọrọ m iwaste time unu afụkwa this flyer dị n'akụkụ ebe ya bụ court case. Governor eziokwu because I will still come to that. Udele na-eti foto na talk about olive oil, healing and other things, which is gịnị healing and other things on your as spiritual things because spirituality does not work in court. Court to work with facts and evidence. So on those things, he's playing a mind tactical game to draw attention to himself. Pararampam news. Ihe okulu eji eme ya arrest eji esu ya bụrụ na no maka no picture till. Ihe okulu bụ na nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-enwe ndị mmadụ eweta nke iri ime gburu na ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ ha na-akpọ 419 and na gịnị mere na obidokwa na iwatch the suing letter ịgụọ ya agụ because most people anaghị agụ ihe. They don't know why this guy was sued. Iwatch ya ifo na his statement we are written the reason eji wee sue ya number 1 bụ na sị na nwanne anyị nwoke na-eme 419 not RNG. Number 2 na sị na they don't start 419 business again. No, if I tell you now, just go and read it carefully. The words sue. It's not about the publication, but the words he did it in his own publication. So you need to see the words he used in so and so publication that you are requesting for a takedown. Udele cannot say all those things. Udele cannot put up flyer there you see Evangelist Ebuka Obi Zion Ministry bụ ndị ya bụrụ ndị ya na ha jikwa wee kpọm na ha jikwa bụrụ ndị oshi na ha jikwa wee mee nke anụnwa na ha jikwa wee mee nke ọzọ. Udele cannot do it. Only the omeli oganga. Any day again omeli ya oganga. So at this point na ihe niile ọ na-ekwu unu ikwe with a mind game. That's why Njigu ni Udele na agba a tactical game 5-4-1 ka ọ na-agba, and people are falling to his trap. No one may Udele na eme na agwu unu say at this stage now nobody can arrest Udele. Don't be bragging. I know what I'm saying. Man, o menwe ihe ahụ nkwu nji say na let him go and put off flyer. Say na Evangelist Ebuka Obi bụ nka, bụlụ nka, ome nka, mekwa nke ọzọ. Nyadosa spirituality asa, nyadosa healing, nyadosa nka. Si na Evangelist Ebuka Obi me nka, Zion ministry bụ ndị a, Zion ministry me nka, mekwa nke ọzọ. Ojiwe, ome ya ojenga. So, I'm not gonna say calling for Udele arrest now. Udele arrest is that ko you see me or ya make okoro pidrum opwa, and they need more publicity, more fame, because no one he Jackie Jimmy arrest. So, like I was saying again, dan to hear Governor Ezioku, I put it to you, Udele again, that na he cannot come out to say na Governor Ezioku lalo obelenwa or na no that no omelu ndakpo ndị ba na akpọ ndakpo mabulu otopo onwe ha na akpọ ndakpo mkpọ ya na English unu ya Facebook nwere ike isensom ndị ba na akpọ ya ndakpo idakpolo nwa idakpolo obele nwa. He cannot say it. The question he keeps asking ọ na-ajụ sị na are you not involved in such scandal? Oh, question called you. That question requires an answer. That is why Njiwe baby has the answer now. Njiwe na say Nene the court case file in a phone and screen. We have court case discharged and acquitted. Discharged and acquitted. Second again, Nonya was not found guilty of allegation labeled against him. And after this video, me play Kwalunu the voice record me about Governor Ezioku as of November last year, when I interviewed him concerning this case. Because Udele is never them born. So we don't know more than them. Malan the kind of mind game one hand play. Malan the mind game. That picture hotel can only attract that picture. Evangelist Ebuka Obi Udele use can only attract attention, but he does not have enough evidence to back his arrest up. Well, I understand. Man, I put up to you like this. Now what you saying? You cannot do those things, unku. Email ya iganga. I understand the law. I understand the power of social media, because I've been into media department for years. I know what you would do, Iganga. Just like when Job, boss or say Job caused God and die. That Job questioned God, say God come, can you come? Does not mean that he insulted God. Or the same thing with Udele Nemena. Udele is throwing questions, Ozeba. But that does not mean that what he's doing is liable for him to be arrested. No. People should be learned and be educated. Udele Nagba is smart game. He cannot put up post na nke Governor Ezioku, say Governor Ezioku or make video. That's at most him no na make video. Menya make video say Governor Ezioku na enwe evidence, enwe fact na ilala onya, ide na onya, idakpolo nwa onye dị otu a, idakpolo onye dị otu a, ewetu aga nga dị otu a, ebe dị otu a, na ebe dị otu a, na ebe dị otu a. Kwucha ya those things, imana yes, ogbago onwe egbe n'ụkwụ. Na ghọta. Udele isi na amụsiri gị ike na-ebu nwoke na-abasi mba ike wo mee ihe Evangelist Ebuka Obi ahụ nkwu, then ime nke Governor Ezioku. I put up to you in less than 1 week. I locate again. And again, akagi na abu ya go ofu aka.
That's why I sent you copies of this judgment. The matter was presided at the court of Justice F.I. Duruoha Igwe of Federal High Court 2 Owerri. It came to pass that some gangsters, politicians ganged up against me because of these same things you see me say or do. They cooked up charges against me. They tagged me an ex-militant, a kidnapper, an armed robber, murderer, and felony. These charges were being brought up against me for nothing. But at the end of the day, the court, on or before prosecution, the court struck off 4 count charges, leaving 1. At the end of the day, I was granted bail and I started coming from my house till the day of judgment in 2017. These are copies of the judgments. You see where the prosecution lied, said I did this, I did that. No one evidence, nobody from anywhere came out to say I did anything. Where is the complainant's petition or statement issued against me? No way. They finally brought a written statement written by them also, the so-called politicians and some gang of police officers whom they used. At the end of the day, they brought a statement. The statement was not signed, was not dated, due to they were preparing in a hurry to get me convicted. But God frustrated all that. At the end of the day, the judge ruled in my favor. These are the evidences you see here. I won in the law court. While I was arrested, persecuted for nothing, for a very long time. I'm telling you, I faced persecution from over 8 to 9 politicians, not just from my own local government alone, but even from across. What happened? I had issues with a young man in the village years ago when I came for a burial. They destroyed my car. So we battled it to the police, I defeated them, and one of their bosses now later became a very big politician. They started taking my name to him, he should deal with me and all that, otherwise I would not let him rest and all that. So they planned their cook up and all that. Go and ask, go and find out across my local government. I am this fearless human being. I fear nothing, I stand to what is right. I do it without even being glee of anything that moves my night. And so many of the politicians hate me for this. Do you know that this young man you see here, a contract was given, a road construction was awarded in my own local government, and some gangsters gathered and they ate the money. Politicians, go and ask, I can show you evidences to this. I went to the State House of Assembly, I and my team, to demand that that contract should be done. Nobody should share the money. At the end of the day, they gathered with their so-called group also against me again for the second time. I have faced persecution, and persecution has made me strong.